Hey guys, welcome back. Carter, BitsBeTrippin, back in the crib. It's been a week since I last talked to you guys and got a lot to do. So I got to get the cameras back up in order. That camera's off, machine's down. I'm kind of working some other stuff here today. GPRisers.com sent me a box. So we're going to be looking at some new risers from them. And thank you guys for sending those over. We'll take a look at one of the next builds that's coming up. But I got a lot to talk about with you guys. We're going to be working on getting an editor for I can have more graphical videos for you guys. I want to be able to present the information in the best way for you, but I'm glad to get back in the saddle here. I have updates also from Todd from the farm. I'm going to take some B-roll that he's been filming out there for you guys as we get the tanks set up. We're going to have the Immersion part 3 video, which is actually going to show kind of where they're going to go and then how some of the flow plates pieces are going to be working with you. So we got an update on that. I got also 2 different events that I'm going to be going out to here soon. So I'm going to try to get down to Miami for the Bitcoin conference, but we also have one called Miner Summit, which is out in the Ozarks. You'll see some details to that coming up here early May. I'm going to be there. I think a few other people are coming there. Tone Vase is going to be there for anybody that follows Tone. And then I think I'm going to try to get Marshall Long out there, old Bitcoin OG person. We're just going to talk. It's a minor expo that has to do with like larger infrastructure setups, but we'll be talking immersion, the fluid dynamic stuff that we're going through to understand the thermal dynamics when it comes to trying to make this the most efficient and cost effective on the long term when it comes to the mining side. So a lot going on there. I've had a few other networks reach out to see about doing some partnerships with them. So I'm looking at their tech specs right now to see if that's something I want to be involved in or not. And anybody that saw the last video that jumped on Matic, Polygon, I was kind of giving you guys a preview of layer 2 and how well that has been doing with Matic, being the underpinnings of that. You guys saw Z.run. I think right after that video, Matic went from like 34 cents to 84 cents. So people are starting to pick up on this layer 2 for Ethereum is a real thing. We're also seeing Uniswap looking at possibly moving over to a layer 2 solution too. So I'm going to do a deep dive with you guys on plasma chain, side chain, ZK rollups, where things are at and the mechanics behind it and how it functions and works. That's one of my next videos that I want to do with you guys. I already have the script written and I'm trying to work on some of the graphic stuff. That's why I'm going to be getting an editor to help me be able to present that to you guys. So we're going to go through why you should care. This is also going to be very development focused. So anybody that's in development is going to want to see this. We're going to talk specifically the cadence to get smart contracts deployed over to Matic and over to Polygon to make sure that if you're wanting to transition your application over to that. Again, all good things for Ethereum's main core ecosystem if you're an Ethereum person, but this also goes and extends to other chains that are using this kind of tech, moving over to interoperability and sidechain content. So a lot coming down the pipe, man. I just wanted to give you guys kind of a quick overview and insight. Again, I got to get my setups going here and we can get and have a proper video. Probably do a live stream also this weekend, but look for the content coming out there. Just a real quick update, guys, of what's coming out, and I'll catch you on the next one.